We are a husband and wife filmmaking team on a global mission.
Now, more than ever, we all need some encouragement.
We are traveling the world to discover the amazing individuals working to restore our planet.
We will film their inspiring stories and help whenever we can.
Join us on this adventure with purpose. Not letting fear and good judgment stop us, we made our way from Newfoundland, Canada, to a small town in the south of France. Hello, bonjour.
Bonjour.
Restoration Planet is crossing France at 300 kilometers an hour. This is a harvested cork tree. Harvested here, and this is already growing back. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Harvested cork tree. Bonjour. That's all I've got so far. We've only been in France 2 days, so anyway. Tout le monde.
I've been reading that this is a very environmentally friendly crop. They can actually strip the bark and make cork without killing the tree. So it's far more environmentally friendly than aluminum or plastic tops from wine bottles. So it's kind of neat to see one. It actually is spongy and it really feels like cork.
This is the second strongest creature on Earth, the European rhinoceros beetle. He can lift over 800 times his own weight. First strongest? Yes, you guessed it, the dung beetle. In France, we found an impossibly rich history, set within truly awe-inspiring landscapes. grocery shopping in French. We met Camille in the nearby town of Perpignan and discovered a beautiful new way of operating a restaurant.
I decided to change what I was doing. Before I was working in a non-profit, but in an office, in a very different field from the kitchen. And I came here to Perpignan and I met friends who were motivated in the same idea of opening a place. At first it was just a place, but it was a place where we would cook and share what we cook. The MIAM Collectif is a non-profit, and our main project is a local vegetarian and free price restaurant. What we cooked is based on fruits and veggies we pick up from the waste of organic stores. So we have two business partners, I would say, but it's more about a friendship. One of them is BioCoop, which is a big cooperative organic supermarket. They don't ask anything, they are just happy to give. And with the other one, it's a producer's store. It's a very small one. And we have a very personal relationship with the owner, Christelle. And she's very involved into not wasting anything. Here it's a free price restaurant, so you can pay whatever you like. If you feel like paying 10 euros, you can pay 10 euros. If you feel like paying 3 euros, you can pay 3 euros. We won't ask you why did you put 3 euros instead of 10 or instead of 12. You can also pay more. Basically, if you pay more, you help someone that doesn't have money to get their food. So miam in French means yummy. It's when you go to a table and you say miam miam, it means you're hungry, and when you say miam miam, it means it was very good at the end. And also miam, we chose this word because it's very easy to repeat and it's very easy not to forget, and also it has a meaning. Each letter means something that is kind of our values and what we want to develop and spread to the world. M is for manger, that is to eat. I is for inventer, which is invent in French, to invent. A is for accueillir, which is in French to welcome. And M is for mélanger, which is to mix.
And when we decided to open this place, it was about just connecting people socially and then change the world. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It's very sugary, like honey. So those on the oven. Okay. And then the mushroom roll.
Raw.
Roux? Or
Not cooked.
uncooked. Roasted.
Raw.
Is that what you mean?
No,
No.
raw. Like
cooked.
uncooked.
Raw.
Like just
Raw.
Sorry,
Raw.
gotcha.
Raw.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. Very easy to speak English with a mask.
Yeah.
Very easy. I'm making rice pudding with the rice leftovers. About how French cuisine is like dominant in the world, but it has an explanation. It's because France has been a dominating country. I mean, it's been colonizing a lot of countries. They had the money for
I think our main dish is cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburgers. There's some Canadian.
Bienvenue à Perpignan.
Merci. Okay. So why do you think it's important to support MIAM?
C'est difficile à traduire en anglais. I think it's important because it's a structure who help different people.
Okay.
The most important for me it's that you can pay to pay it for other people. That's
Right.
the most important.
Right.
And then because zéro déchet, no.
Comment on appelle, tu sais?
No waste.
Zero
No,
waste.
zero waste.
Zero waste.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful to function like this.
Yeah.
Ecologic and social.
Yes.
All right.
Social project.
Yes, and ecological.
And
yeah.
yes, all the restaurants in Perpignan should be like this.
Yes.
Yes.
I agree. Awesome. That's great.
And the food is good?
Yeah. Oh yes, very good. Always.
What we do here in MIAM Collectif is not, it doesn't belong to us. So if anyone wants to come and do it elsewhere, do it differently, but get inspired from what we do, we'll be happy to welcome anyone and share what we do. I wish we could spread more this model to start a change in different places. If anyone wants to come and meet us, learn from us what we do and share, we'll be happy to welcome them.
Want to get this again? Okay. So we're getting all of the people that we're interviewing at the end of the show to say, my name is whatever, and I'm restoring the planet.
Okay.
So, and I'm restoring our planet, right?
Can I say I'm trying to?
Yeah. I think we're saying, everyone's saying, and I'm restoring our planet because you are.
Mm.
Right?
That's a bit full of myself, but
I don't.
I don't want to sound like that.
Everybody's saying.
Okay. Restoring.
Yeah, and I'm restoring our planet.
And in French would be
Oh, yeah, that's a good question.
Like something like réparer, or like it's more to repair? Restoring is... What do you mean about restoring? Healing? No.
Healing.
But in French, restore. Like restaurer, it's more like restore a house.
Yeah.
Kind of means that
It means that.
But okay.
Yeah.
My name is Camille and I'm restoring our planet.
And in French.
Je m'appelle Camille et je restaure notre planète.